Hey guys, it's me again, and I'm changed to my pendant. I'm Wednesday on the panda suit. Panda. And I'm gonna get my stuff down real quick. Stuff in. It's my little Kate. It's a real cat. This is a real cat. See? And take care of it. This tail up. I'm just gonna get some big cat. Stuffed animal. I have more. I'm going to show you my last one. I have really more blood. Not the same one. But everybody. Stop. It's mine. Okay. It's Lily? It's yours. It's mine? Bones is mine. Bone is mine. It's mine. You and you. Okay? Next one. There is crap. This one. Where's my other one? I don't know. Okay. I got two. I got more though. Got this one. I don't know. The name is Zoe. And you get these like from Claire's. They're cute. And I know I had one more. What is it? I don't know. I saw it. Funny. What? Here it is. I got a lot. These are the ones I only have. I have this one. I have this one. I have this one. It's mine. I have this one. And then I have this one. Maya. It has a hole that's stuck that I'm mad at. And Maya's gonna fix it. Maya! I know she is. My poopy. Okay, whatever. I don't know which one to sleep with. I guess I'm gonna sleep with these three because these are comfy, but not these. Oh, no, wait, chicken. I'm gonna tell you the names. Okay, this one is Chica. This one is, she smells like a bunny and she looks like a bunny, so her name is Bunny Bun. This one is called, I couldn't find a new name, but I haven't named this, but comment down below what should this be. What name should this be? It's a girl. And tell me what's gonna be the name. Yeah, I better hear the names. This one is my bunny. Her name is, I don't know her name, but her name is, I'm gonna call her a new name. I forgot her old name. Oh yeah, it's Blueberry. Her name's Blueberry. I'm not sure about this one because it's a girl. I don't know about it. Comment down below what kind of names you have.